everyone! Today we're going on a food tour! And we're in the neighborhood of Kowloon City. So they newly just opened a MTR station. Super excited. We're gonna go to Islam food first, which we went like 2 years ago when we first moved to Hong Kong. And then we're gonna go check out a dessert place that's been open since I think 1955. And then our last stop would be a bakery, a local Hong Kong bakery that you see in the back called Hoover Bakery. I'm super excited. Let's go! Islam Food, a restaurant with more than 60 years of history in Hong Kong, has been in the Kowloon City location since the 1980s. An absolute local institution, this halal restaurant is known for their pan-fried beef buns, among many other delicious dishes. Beef bun. Lamb with chili pepper and cumin. We also got this Shun fried scallop egg white fried rice. What else did we get? And we got some dumplings. We got some beef fried dumplings. Founded by Mr. Ma, who has been in the dumplings and buns business since taking an apprenticeship in the 1920s in Shanghai, he moved to Hong Kong during China's Civil War period in the 1940s and opened his first dumplings and buns themed restaurant in Hong Kong in the 1950s. So we're gonna try some of this fried rice. It looks pretty white. Usually it's more brown, but let's have a taste. Very umami. The saltiness is perfect. You can see little pieces of bok choy, egg, and scallop. Really good. So we got our beef buns, which is what this store is famous for, this restaurant. We have some stir-fried lamb. And now also the beef dumplings. So I'm going to take a bite from this juicy beef pancake first. Oh my gosh. There's so much soup. It's like eating a soup dumpling, but pancake-wise. So thick, so juicy. Next, I'm gonna try some of the stir-fried lamb with cumin. It's a little bit bland. I wish they put more cumin and salt, or maybe I'm just used to eating more salty food. It's still very good, very flavorful, but they could up the notch on the spiciness of it. Let's try some dumpling now. I think it might be the same filling as this pancake, but still very good. The crust is perfect golden crisp, has a little nice crunch and the juiciness of the dumpling, but it doesn't have as much soup as the pancake, but still very good. Every metropolitan has local institutions that play a great role in the history and culture of the city. Hong Kong's Islam food can be considered as such. Next, we stop by a local dessert shop, Chiu Chow Hop Shing dessert, for some traditional Cantonese dessert soups. I got so excited that I completely forgot to take a video of the storefront of the dessert shop. Opened in 1955 at the same location, Chiu Chow Hop Shing serves more than 90 types of hot or cold traditional Chinese dessert soups, ranging from lotus seeds to black sesame rice balls. How is it? Sugary?
Yeah, it's very sugary. You can feel the coconut a lot. What's the yellow stuff?
I think it's
Egg.
I'm not sure. After our coconut milk papaya dessert soup, we made our way to our final stop at Hoover Cake Shop. Another local favorite, this bakery is claimed by many locals to have the best egg tarts in Hong Kong. Supposedly, their secret is to make them with duck eggs to give it a smoother, stronger flavor custard feeling. So we're in front of Hoover Bakery. It's super popular. I heard usually there's a line. It's literally a hole in the wall, like you can see here. We're waiting to order our egg tarts. It got smushed in my bag. We were too full from all the yummy beef and lamb and the dessert, so we decided to take it home, but now it's all smushed. It's okay, it still looks good. And it's still warm. So we got the classic egg tart. And I also got a mango mochi. Okay, so I've taken them out of the bag. This is the mango mochi with some coconut flakes on top. And then here we have the egg tart Hong Kong style. So according to Pierre, the egg tart is just meh. So I'm gonna try it out. It's still a little warm. So we have the lovely egg tart with the flaky crust. Ah! Oh god, it's falling everywhere. It's pretty good. No, I think this is one of the better egg tarts. Or maybe I just haven't had an egg tart for a long time. It's not too sweet. Very soft. The egg part of the tart just melts in my mouth. And the crust is super flaky. Let's see this mango mochi over here. There are actually little chunks of mango in here. It's quite good. And also it has that sour tang from the mochi. Bless you. I think I prefer, I don't know. I think, yeah, both of them are like okay. It's not the best, but pretty good. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I did making it and of course eating through all of it. I definitely recommend trying all of them if you're in Hong Kong. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.